Yo, what's going on, people? Welcome to my video. As always, how I got it started, you know what I'm saying? Because TikTok be tripping. This is for entertainment and educational purposes only. I'm not a lawyer. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not none of that. I'm just here to share information with we, the people, and I don't give legal advice, you know what I'm saying? Also, too, guys, if you haven't did so yet, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can head over to YouTube or you can click the link in my profile. And my YouTube channel is Sun SUN, the number 9 NY Vibes, VIBES. And another thing, too, guys, if you're looking for some great resources to download, head over to my website. You know what I'm saying? I got a lot of great resources that maybe it can help you and your family. You know what I'm saying? Head over, download them. You know what I'm saying? Click the link in my profile. But let's get into it. You know what I'm saying? Let's get into it. We're gonna be talking about white. You know what I'm saying? Now, if you haven't seen any of my videos, I explained that black, white, these are not uh, nationalities. You know what I'm saying? This has nothing to do with the color of your skin. Nobody is black. Nobody is white. You know what I'm saying? It's all about status. You know what I'm saying? And I'm going to prove it to you in this video. You know what I'm saying? It's all about status. Anybody can use the status white. Anybody can use the status black, which I highly don't condone. You know what I'm saying? That's the worst one out of all of them. You know what I'm saying? Um, Anybody can use these statuses. You know what I'm saying? You have the right to self-identify yourself. You can put anything you want on these GOV applications. You know what I'm saying? You do not have to be put in a box. You know what I mean? You do not have to check off what society tells you you got to check off. If you think you're Asian, you can check off Asian. If you think you're white, you can check off white. These are all statuses, but be very careful on what you check off. You know what I'm saying? Because these certain statuses that you check off on these forms can put you in a certain jurisdiction. You know what I'm saying? So you got to be very careful on what you pick when you filling out these job applications or any type of application when they're asking for your racial identity. You have the right to self-identify. You know what I'm saying? Nobody is black. Nobody is white. That all caps name is not you. You dig? So let's get into it. You know what I'm saying? We're going to talk about 20 CFR, USC 42 dot 402 definitions. And we're going to go through the definitions of these colorable terms. You know what I'm saying? White and black and all these colorable terms that they got people thinking that they are. You know what I'm saying? You're not that. You're not white. You know what I'm saying? These are all statuses, you dig? When you come up in their system, you know what I'm saying? There are certain codes that come up in their system. And you can come up as a black citizen, you know what I'm saying? These are all codes that put you in a certain jurisdiction, you dig? Or you can come up as a white citizen, you know what I mean? If you're still a U.S. citizen, you know what I mean? These are all different codes that come up in a system that, these policies enforcers look at when they pull somebody over, you know what I'm saying, to see how far they can take on, their authority on these traffic stops, you know what I'm saying? Now, if they pulling somebody over in the private, they're going to keep it pushing. You dig? They don't want that headache. You know what I'm saying? But let's get it started, man. Okay, let's start off with, all right, let's start off with black. Here we go. This is the definition. Black, not Hispanic origin. A person having origins in any of the black racial groups of Africa. You see how it's not specific on what groups, like, you know what I'm saying? It's not a nationality. All right. Number 2, Hispanic. A person of Mexican, Puerto Rican, Cuban, Central, South American, or other Spanish cultures or origins, regardless of race. Hispanic is not a nationality. You dig? Let's keep it going. Asian or Pacific Islander, a person having origins in any of the original people of the Far East, Southeast Asia, the Indian subcontinent, or the Pacific Islands. This area includes, for example, China, Japan, Korea, Philippine Islands, and Samoa. All right. So we're gonna go to American Indian or Alaskan Native. And a person having origins in any of the original people of North America and who maintain culture identification through tribal affiliation or community recognition. Sorry. All right, here go to one. White, not of Hispanic origin. A person having origins in any of the original people of Europe, North Africa, or Middle East. Additionally, subcategories based on national origin or primary language spoke may be used where appropriated on either a national or a regional basis. You see how white is not pertaining to Caucasian people. You know what I'm saying? It's not. It says original people of Europe, North Africa, all you people claiming to be from Africa, I digress, or the Middle East. You guys thought you were white. No, it's not about skin color. You know what I'm saying? It's not about all. It's not. That's not a nationality. White is not a. It's a status. It's what comes up in their system as your status. You dig? White is the highest status for a U.S. citizen. If you claiming to be black, you need to be for the moment. You need to be start checking off white or other on these applications, man. And this is not legal advice, you know what I'm saying? I'm not a lawyer and I don't give legal advice, you know what I'm saying? But if it was me and I'm finding out this information, I'm new to it, you dig? I would start retracting all those contracts and start putting white. You know what I'm saying? And making sure that I come up white in their system if I'm still a U.S. citizen. That's if I was still a U.S. citizen. You know what I mean? As you can see right here, it's not pertaining to a group of people. It's pertaining to a status. Because if you think you're from Africa, what does this code say? What white means? You guys take care. Peace.